Dear learner friends, welcome to everybody. We have discussed many topics in the last class, and now I will discuss the ferry boat, Unit 4, Lesson 1. In the context, we see a picture having a lot of people on the boat. We usually see there is a crowd of people, some are sitting and some are standing, and two boatmen are rowing their boat. At first, we see the text. Is there anybody here who has ever crossed a river by a country boat? If there anyone who has crossed their boat, crossed the river boat, I have teacher, said Jamil. Jamil said he has an experience about such a incident, and I clearly remember what happened in that journey. Jamil also said that he clearly remembered in that journey what happened. Would you please tell us what happened? The teacher asked. The teacher inquired Jamil to share the idea what happened in that journey. Okay, teacher. It happened when I was in class 6. On a weekly bazaar day, people were coming back with their shopping bags and baskets in hands, on shoulders and heads. He told that it happened when he was in class 6. On a weekly bazaar day, people were coming back from their from hard or bazaars, taking their necessary things in baskets or shoulders or heads and such on. They had to cross the river. In the way there was a river, so they all had to cross the river. It was not a big river. There was a ferry boat playing on the river. The boat could cross it in 8 to 10 minutes. Though the river was not so big, so they took a little time to cross it, 8 to 10 minutes. It was just after sunset. The weather was getting bad. The wind started blowing from the northwest. Black clouds were moving fast in the sky. The weather was getting bad, and at the time was after setting sun. So everybody was busy to cross the river because they all tried to reach their home safe and sound. Everybody was trying to get into the boat. No more, please wait, shouted the boatman, but nobody listened to him. As everybody was busy to cross the river, so nobody paid a heed to the boatman's word. So, telling no more, but the passenger could not hear it, and they all got into the river. What happened then, Jamil? Asked Rumi. With too many people on board, the boat sank in the middle of the river. Replied Jamil that as the boat carried so many men, the boat sank into the middle of the river, and people lost their necessary things, what they bought from the bazaar. Oh no, what happened then? Asked the teacher. Then teacher also inquired what happened in the incident. Thank God, there were no casualties. All the passengers swam to the other side, but some of them lost the stuff they were carrying, such as oil, salt and milk, said Jamil. Jamil replied that there was no casualties or no great injury. They lost their necessary things and such on. And they all, it was a village people, they swam to the other side of the river. Were you on the boat? Asked the teacher. No, teacher, seeing the boat overcrowded, I waited for the next trip, replied Jamil. In the after discussing it, the teacher inquired Jamil if he was in the trip, but Jamil replied that seeing the so many people in a trip, he waited for the next trip. You did the right thing, Jamil. Teacher assured that he did the right thing because our people most of the time bring out a incident or accident in the water transport or local transport or air transport. After discussing the passage, we see there is a question. Discuss in groups and write answer to the question. Discuss in groups and write answer the question in the C. If we have too many people, in the market, we see that buyers try to offer more price than the real price. As a result, the poor people cannot buy it. So same thing will happen in the fish market. In the same way, there is also two questions. If we have too many passengers at a bus or train station, what may happen? If we have too many passengers at a bus or train station, there is a mad rush among the passengers to get into the train or bus. As a result, most of the people, many of them fall down and others prevent them. As a result, they may victim a great injury and so on. If we have too many people in a village, town, city, what will happen? If we have too many people in a village, town, city or a locality, we see that there is a great crisis to build their house and to make a road to communicate them and so on. They also there is also a crisis and most of the people made a quarrel among themselves. So and Sasan. Everybody will try to write it in their own words. Nobody try to take any words from the notebooks and Sasan. After reading this passage, you will all try to write it in your own words and so on. No more today. We will meet with in the next class and everybody welcome.